Hi, my name is Darren and alongside me is my buddy Wayne. Today we will introduce to you domestic air conditioners as well as commercial air conditioners. As a country that experiences summer all year round, our temperatures could rise up to 35 degrees. Therefore, air conditioners are extremely important to maintain comfort. We often take for granted the air conditioner. Hence, the motivation for this video today is to explain how air conditioners work. So the working principle of domestic air conditioners will be explained with this diagram. At stage 1, cool refrigerant flows into the compressor. The compressor is a large electric pump to pressurize refrigerant gas, converting vapor to liquid. After passing through the compressor, the refrigerant has high temperature and pressure. At stage 2, refrigerant enters the condenser. The condenser is made up of coils with thin metal fins and a fan blowing over it, cooling the refrigerant. The refrigerant leaves the condenser at high pressure. Once the refrigerant passes through the condenser, it loses heat and changes back into a liquid. This liquid is passed through stage 3 at the expansion valve. The expansion valve converts liquid into a mist, causing pressure drop, cooling the refrigerant. The refrigerant leaves the expansion valve at low temperature and pressure. At stage 4, a cold mist is passed through the evaporator coils, located in the air stream which absorbs air from inside the room. Now, the refrigerant is a liquid and vapor mixture with low temperature and pressure. As the fan blows over the cold coils, air is cooled down. The transfer of heat to the refrigerant causes temperature increase at low pressure. The cycle repeats starting from the compressor at stage 1. This is the refrigerant cycle. We have been blabbering all over about refrigerant. So what exactly is a refrigerant? So the refrigerant is actually a cooling mechanism that needs to boil over to a vapor and condense back continuously. It is mainly used in air conditioners and refrigerators. So the common refrigerants in the industry are R22, R134A and R410A. Their boiling points are here. So now I pass on this video to Wayne. Thank you.
Now we will discuss on the commercial air conditioning system. In the industrial application, chiller systems are used. The main function of chiller system is similar to a domestic air conditioning unit, which is to provide cool air and expel hot air. There are a total of 4 loops in the chiller system: the refrigerant, the air loop, the water loop 1, and water loop 2. The air conditioning effects start from refrigerant loop. The working principle is exactly the same as a domestic air conditioning unit. Afterwards, water in water loop 1 will be chilled by the evaporator of the refrigerant loop. The process occurs at the intersection of the water loop 1 and the refrigerant. Next, the chilled water will then be pumped from the evaporator to the air handling unit, which is also known as AHU. Heat transfer will then occur when heat from the warm air in the room will be transferred to the chilled water, consequently reducing the temperature of the air. Water in the water loop 2 is used to bring down the temperature of the refrigerant. The hot water will then be pumped from the condenser to the cooling tower to expel the heat gain to the surrounding. Let's dig deeper and find out what exactly AHU is. AHU is a device used to maintain and provide air in the building. The process starts off with the introduction of fresh air from the surroundings. The AHU will cleanse and cool the fresh air taken. It also dehumidifies the air. The conditioned air will then be brought to the network of air ducts, then to the allocated zone. Dirty air will then be pulled from the rooms and carried back to the AHU through the return duct. Subsequently, dirty air will be rejected back to the surroundings. A quick recap of what Darren and I have went through in this video. Air conditioning system is widely used in Singapore to manipulate air temperature. There are 2 types of air conditioning system: the domestic air conditioning system and the commercial air conditioning system.
So we have come to the end of our video. For more informative content like this, please do subscribe to our channel here. And if you do have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you.